welcome to another video of Bug and Animals. So today we are bringing you to the Nevada National History Museum. So today I brought two special guests. This is Delilah and this is Sarah. Our very good friends. And a video about Jack and Johnny.
All right.
So today we're going to be going in, so let's go.
Gone, then it's time for them to go out in the shells.
This one is
Yeah, the baby one is ready for them to go out with the shell.
Do you cut it or do you let them hatch?
Well, good question. If they are hardly cannot go out, we help them out. We nip, like the end of the shells, and sort of like the side method. Yes. From the moment that the mother lays their egg, approximately within 3 months, the baby shark can go out of the shell.
So you're making these guys pretty?
Yes, because at this time they don't really aggressively roam around, so sort of encouraging them to
So you have to clean them.
eat. It's a tedious process.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you subscribe. Please do. We have some today.
Go ahead, Max.
Make sure you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like the other video, that first one we did with the winners, please be sure to go on Twitter.
No Twitter. No Twitter. We don't have
Facebook.
any Twitter.
Or YouTube.
Bye.
See you next time.